Alright, so part A for the show you know, draw cups and counters to show 2y plus 4. So a variable like y is just a container. It can hold various things. So it can hold different numbers. And in this particular instance, we don't know what's in y, but we're asked to draw this particular expression. So we have 2 times y, which means we've got 2 y's. We've got 2 unknowns. So we can draw a cup. That's 1y, but we have 2y. So we're going to actually draw 2 cups. So I now have 2 cups, and then plus 4. So I'll just draw 4 circles here for counters. So we've got 2 unknowns plus 4. And that's all you need to do for drawing the cups and counters for 2y plus 4. So make sure you realize that this is 2 times y. So it isn't just 1 cup. We actually need to have 2 cups. And then plus 4 counters. So part B, solve the expression 2y plus 4 if y equals 1. So in this case, this if y equals 1 part is important. It's telling us that in this particular instance, our container is going to have 1 counter in it. But we're not using cups in this technique here, we're using substitution. So we have the original expression, and every time we see a y, we can substitute in a 1. So this is 2 times y, so it becomes 2 times, instead of y, it's 1, as we were told, plus 4. According to BEDMAS, our order of operations, multiplication comes before addition, so it's going to be 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 4. And then we're just left with 2 plus 4, which is 6. So that's if y equals 1. Now we're being told that the container is changing, and y could equal 3. Same expression, 2y plus 4, but we're changing the container value. So instead of 2 times 1 like we had over here, it's going to be 2 times 3 plus 4. Again, BEDMAS says do the multiplication first. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then plus 4, which means 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So depending on what the container is worth, we can have a different value for the entire expression. When the container holds 1, the whole thing represents 6. When it represents 3, the whole thing is 10. So that's how it can change.